Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about the simple tenses of the verb, the present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense. In present tense, the action of the verb is happening now. Example, she talks now. They speak well. In the simple present, most regular verbs use the root form, except in the third person singular, which ends in est. Example, first person, I write. First person, we write. Second person, you write. Second person, you write. In the third person, he, she, it writes. Third person, they write. For a few verbs, the third person singular ends with es instead of s. Typically, these are verbs whose root form ends in o, ch, sh, th, ss, gh, or z. Example, for first person, I go. First person, we go. Second person, you go. In plural form, you go. In a third person, he, she, it goes. In their third person, they go. In forming the simple present tense of the verb, we follow this step. If the subject, I, you, we, the verb sleep, and the rest of the sentence, late Saturdays. When the subject, he, she, it goes to the beach every weekend. Example of the simple present tense of the verb. The subject, the sun, the verb sets, and the rest of the sentence in the west. The sun sets in the west. We at SBA produces Quiz B winners. The alarm clock rings loudly each morning. Mom cooks in the kitchen. We all praise before eating. Class, there are different ways to form the past tense of the verbs. Number 1, the form of the past tense of most verbs by adding ed. Examples, cook plus ed equals cooked. Play plus ed equals played. Wish plus ed equals wished. Need plus ed equals needed. Number 2, for verbs ends in silent e, just add d. Examples, hope plus d equals hoped. Like plus d equals liked. Share plus d equals shared. Hate plus d equals hated. Number 3, for verbs ending with a y, add ed. Examples, enjoy plus ed equals enjoyed. Play plus ed equals played. Pray plus ed equals prayed. Number 4, for verbs ending with a consonant and y, change y to I, then add ed. Examples, hurry minus y plus I plus ed equals hurried. Try minus y plus I plus ed equals tried. Study minus y plus I plus ed equals studied. Mary minus y plus I plus ed equals married. Number 5. For verbs ending with a consonant, double the consonant, then add ed. Example, stop plus p plus ed equals stopped. Steer plus r plus ed equals steered. Rub plus b plus ed equals rubbed. Hop plus p plus ed equals hopped. We go now to future tense. In the future tense, the action of the verb has not happened yet, but it will happen soon. To make a verb future tense, we add will or shall to the front of the verb. Example, she will talk tomorrow. They will speak well. Other example of future tense. Your children will be the future of this country. He will close the shop. She will talk tomorrow. They will speak well. Shall is always used in the first person in the question form. Example, shall I leave the room open? Shall we have dinner now? Thank you for listening, grade 5. God bless and see you again next time.